Hello, welcome back to another video. I finally got around to putting this beautiful stamping design on my nails. And not only did I want to stamp it, I wanted to try reverse stamping as well. I couldn't make my mind up which colours I wanted, so I just went with a few different ones. This is the colour changing gel that I used on the swatches when I was just trying this design out to see which one I wanted. So I'm just going to put that on my nails first, and then I'm going to start to do the reverse stamp. At this point I realised that I'd put the colour gel on my middle finger when I was meant to put my white gel on that one, so I quickly wiped it off and then put this Venalisa gel on. I'm doing a swatching video on this and a few others of the Venalisa colour gels, gel polishes, sorry, and I'm really impressed with it. I can't believe it. It's just one coat. I thought I'd have to put 2 or 3 on like I did with my Bluesky one, but no, so I'm definitely going to get this in the future. Really impressed with it. Exactly what I wanted, full coverage with just one coat. So now I'm just going to apply a no white top coat onto all of that gel polish. I didn't want to stamp directly onto the tacky layer because I usually make a few mistakes, and I thought I can just wipe it off if I just put this on. So after those are all cleaned up, it's now time for me to get on with this reverse stamp. So I'm just going to scrape that off there, and then I'm just going to start painting my polish onto the stamp. I'm using this OPI that I did in the last video. It is actually discontinued. It's one that I've had for years and years, but I'm sure you can find one like it. It's just, you know, like a shimmery red. And this is regular polish. I did actually try doing this with gel polish. And it was a disaster. I just couldn't get it to work, so I'm just using regular polish for now. I think I will do a video in the future about how to do decals on stampers with gel polish, because I've got so many gel polishes that would look amazing reverse stamping if I can actually get it to work. So I'm just painting that red on. I'm just using a plastic bag to put the polish on to mix it around, because after I've put this red on, I'm then using this pink glittery polish. And I'm going to add to that one of my favourite glitters. It's this Born Pretty holographic glitter. I absolutely love it. I have got a tutorial on that where I put it on my nails. And it is really gorgeous, so I wanted to have a go with that. So I've just put some of that glittery, just that cheap nail polish, I think it's W7. And I'm just mixing it in, mixing the glitter in with that. and then I'm going to colour one of the roses in with that. And then after that I'm going to use the purple holographic glitter from Born Pretty and do one of the roses that colour as well. I didn't know what it was going to turn out like, so I didn't want to use too many colours, so I was just experimenting really. So after leaving the design to set and dry for a while, it's time to put it on the nail. I did just put some clear top coat on just to give it a bit of stickiness, something to stick to, so it didn't come off. And I'm just pressing it on, trying to find the right position, hoping that it all stays on, because when I did the gel polish one, it all just came off. And it took me ages to do, it was so upsetting. So there, that is the one on my right hand. So I'm just going to top coat it. I'm going to clean it up, which I've done now, and then I'm just going to top coat it. So it's a bit out of shot there. So after that top coat's been cured, I just did a bit more clean up. You can see that it's still there a bit, that black polish. It is really, really difficult to get off. So this is on my other hand now, so I've done the same thing again, just painted it all on. This time I'm being a bit more clever than I was last time, and I'm putting liquid latex on all my fingers before I stamp them. This stuff is really good. I've never used it before, but I was really, really impressed with it. Definitely does its job. Because the black polish from Clear Jelly Stamper that I use, it's really, really good for stamping. It's amazing, but when you're trying to do clean up and it's all over your fingers, it takes forever to get it off. So here over the white polish, I'm just putting some normal top coat on, and then I'm just leaving it just till it goes tacky, so that stamp has something to go on to. If I was just stamping a normal stamp, I wouldn't bother with this step, but because it's that one that I took so long to do, painting it on, I want to make sure that it goes on and it doesn't flake off. So you can see all the colours there. It is amazing. I love it so much. So I just need to find the right position to put it in. And then press it on. You can see that hollow glitter there just shining through. So there it is on the nail. So obviously I've got some clean up to do now. I'm just going to break the edges with my tweezers. And then when I'm pulling the liquid latex off, it doesn't pull that stamp off as well. Okay, so now it's time to do the other fingers. I'm not doing reverse stamping on all of them, just those middle 2 fingers. I'm just stamping this rose design straight over that colour changing gel polish on the rest of the fingers. It does look amazing on its own. You can see it's quite warm when I was doing this, so it's mostly white, and that dark pink only shows through when the fingers are cold. So I'm just breaking up the edges, and then I'll top coat when it's all cleaned up. So here is the finished look. I'm really happy with it. I absolutely love that holographic glitter and the red. I love it all. So I'm going to be doing some more stamping videos, I think. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I will see you in the next video.